So I'm gonna be honest, man. I love this car. You know, this is a dream car.
Right.
But it's like, for some weird reason, every time I get a car, every time I want a car so bad, I get it.
Right.
And then that feeling kind of goes away. I don't know
gone.
why, bro.
That motherfucker. We're gonna have some fun today. We got that out the way, man. We got that out the way. We got that out the way, man. Y'all see what's going on. Now we get a clear view of what's going on here. Like, I can only imagine how he come out his garage every day, be like, okay, SVJ or the Tesla truck, they both fast. Do I want to take the family with me and go 1,000 miles an hour, or do I want to take just one person with me and go 1,000 miles an hour? I'm not gonna lie to you, this thing looks insane. Of course, we got the, what size wheels is on this mug? We got the 20, what? Oh, I was about to say 25. We got the 22s on this joint with the yellow buttons. Not gonna lie to you. 22s on the back, it might be 21s on the front. Yeah, 22s on the back, 21s on the front. Of course, we got the whole carbon fiber trim of the trim, on trim, everything, man. I ain't never lifted up no Aventador door, man. Come on, man.
You said what?
I've never lifted up an Aventador door. I've never lifted up one, ever. Ever. Might have to charge you, man. How much you gonna charge me, man? Let me see if what I could do, man.
You know how much this car costs?
How much it costs, man? Let me know, cause I ain't gonna lie. This is something like when you pull up anywhere, you turn the heads. Every single person.
It's $1 million car right here. Paid around there. About that.
This is insane right here, bro. So now, how does it feel owning a car like this compared to your other cars?
So I'm gonna be honest, man. I love this car. You know, this is a dream car.
Right.
But it's like, for some weird reason, every time I get a car, every time I want a car so bad, I get it.
Right.
And then that feeling kind of goes away. I don't know why, bro. But this car right here is definitely a neck breaker, showstopper.
So do you feel like that all the time, or just until you get in it and start driving it again?
Nah, yeah.
Yeah, so you start driving it, huh? You're like, oh yeah, this is worth it, huh?
Exactly what's going on.
Yeah, okay. I ain't gonna lie, this thing is insane, bro. Like, what? This yellow on this thing is popping. It's like, we seen the pictures online, but like I said, online don't do nothing, no justice for. Oh, it's all good. It's all good, man. We'll figure it out, man. He trying to hold out on me today, but it's okay, man.
Nah, brother.
It's okay, nah, man.
What, you leaving tonight or what? You gonna be here for a while?
Man,
hey, look, y'all gotta
up,
stay
man.
tuned if y'all want to see exclusive stuff. You gonna show them all in one video?
Come on, man. Gotta stay tuned, man. If y'all want us to check out the SVJ, man, y'all gotta like the video. Y'all gotta
tell them comment down below which one they want to see go against the SVJ. We can do that for your channel too.
Right. Do y'all want to see the Escalade V, or do they want to see the Tesla Cybertruck? I ain't gonna lie, cause like the V2.
I gotta do that one. I gotta do the Cybertruck.
The V and the Cybertruck would be nice.
I have to.
You got combinations over here. You got some work to do. I ain't gonna lie.
The Hellcat 2.
Man, you better knock it out while you got niggas here, man. Look at me, I'm trying to throw myself in the mix. Come on, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. I'm with my boy though. SVJ JP, man. Come on, we about to change his name up. Carbon fiber everywhere. I can't believe.
SVJJP put the P on there.
I'm telling you, come on, man.
SVJJP. I mean,
I'm telling
on Instagram. You know how everybody be SRT.
That's I just knew you was coming with it.
Hellcat A2.
Come on, man.
SVJJP.
He said Hellcat A2, man. SVJ A2 too. Fuck you mean? Come on, man. This mug is nice. I am not gonna lie to you, bro. Like, this different. This different.
I'm glad you like it.
You did that.
I
low-key want to do a bike this color.
This color's nice, right?
This color combination is nice with the yellow, the gray, and yeah, it look nice, man. With the red, it look nice.
Didn't change. That's why I left it how it
Nah, bro, I'm telling you, this spec and everything is insane.
All that. Yeah, this is the highest spec you can get on the SVJ Roadster.
The highest spec. I ain't gonna lie to you.
This alone was like an extra 30,000 add-on. This is just like
what, the top piece right there?
Yeah. Just the top piece alone.
And it's fully, I'm sure it's fully functional at $1 million shit.
Oh, everything.
That shit going
so
straight to the
air,
engine.
Yeah, it goes it's to cool down the engine.
That's crazy.
Now, all that SVJ, this what separates my roadster with a lot of people's roadster, bro.
So it's the roadster. That means it's the drop top come off.
It's the top come off.
So now, I'm sure you got to take the top off yourself though, right?
Yeah. It's like two piece.
Oh,
well,
okay,
it takes like 2 people.
So it's kind of like the C8 in a sense.
Nah, C8's easier.
No?
This one you need 2 people because you got to take it a certain way.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
I haven't even taken off the top like that myself.
Really? So you prefer to drive it with it on?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Well, once the weather get better, I'm definitely gonna be.
Yeah. So what's the fastest you got this thing up to so far, you think?
Nah, I did some speed, but it wasn't too fast. But I wasn't.
You scared of it still?
So on this car, not for nothing. If I try to hit I've hit 160 on the Corvette.
Yeah.
It feels like it's shaking. You know what I'm saying? This
that's
car,
scary. That feel like 200,
it feels like
huh?
I'm stuck to the ground. Like I'm good. I can really like move.
And you can still go, huh? You still got more to go. Yeah, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. The aerodynamics on this, I'm sure is like crazy. It's just flying through the wind, bro. Yeah, this thing is dope, man. Y'all let me know if y'all want to check out the more about the SVJ in the comments below, man. We gonna get it together for y'all. Mr. JP, I definitely appreciate you having us out here, man. I ain't gonna lie, we got so much more here, but man, y'all gonna have to stay tuned because like I said, my boy got a whole fortress here, man. We ain't even got to the other side yet. We ain't even got to the other toys yet. Nah, we just chilling, man.
Yeah, we chilling.
We just having fun and going about it, man. So y'all can do it too, man. Y'all know what time it is. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. It's about to be a movie. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, though. What this dude hit the seat? That ain't gonna work. I'm like, that ain't gonna work. He fist pounding the seat. Come on, man. You know you don't get them hands dirty, man.
Come on, man. Don't do that to me.
You don't be getting them hands dirty no more, man.
It's in the name, baby. What's my name, Trench Family?
Yeah, man, I got it out of the trenches, man. You see?
You see what it is, baby.
Come on,
speak
man.
for itself, mom.
What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. And I am waking up at my dog JP's house right now, man. Y'all know what time it is. I am here at my boy JP's crib, man. Y'all seen the cars and stuff yesterday, and we didn't get a chance to video this and show you guys the other little toys, but you know, today should be a day, man. So bro got dogs after dogs after dogs everywhere, and it's kind of crazy because I'm not a dog person at all. So me personally, that's the one. He been on me. I'll be having to get up in the car so they don't be all over your boy, but I ain't gonna lie, we in that joint. I know what time it is. Let's go take a ride around this joint real quick. Let's go take a ride around this joint real quick. You know, when you got a lot of little acres and stuff, man, it's a lot easier to get around your land in one of these Kawasaki's. You know? You know? Come on, man. You know. Let's just have a little fun real quick. Like I said, it's still early morning. Everybody's still asleep and stuff, but you know, the land's so big, we're not gonna make too much noise out here, man. We're gonna have some fun today. Gonna have some fun. No. Look, got a whole little dirt bike track. Look at that little squirrel. See. Yes, sir. Ain't gonna lie, I'm having a good time out here, man. I'm ready to go back up. I enjoy y'all tuning in and stuff, man. They gonna get sideways, that's for sure. This thing get up in this dirt. It get on up, that's what's up. let the dust settle, man. You know, gotta let the dust settle around this joint, man. We gonna see what else we got, man. We gonna have some more fun. We might pull out the ATV and stuff in a second, but feel me? Come on, man. We about to go up or what, man? Feel me?
We're having a great time. We just woke up. There's so many things to do today.
It's early, right?
It's super early, man. It's like 9 o'clock.
And we out here having a ball.
Just started.
Already. Come on, man. What we doing, man?
There's a lot to do, man.
It's too much to do, right?
Up, though. Let me
Oh,
show
yeah,
the family.
yeah.
Hey,
We get this good little, little footage, man. I want to show y'all my sideways activity.
Gene, what you think about this?
Hold on, man.
Honestly, what is your honest reaction?
You going crazy right now. You going.
You can't even see the little slow.
You going crazy. I didn't want to go too crazy, but y'all get the point, man. Y'all see what it is, man. We out here going up, man. Y'all stay tuned for the next show, man.
Oh, man. I got the cushion and everything.
Oh, yeah, you good.
Good. Now, twin. That ball,
Come on, man. Get it right.
I need the camera
Let's see.
No, I'm feeling today.
Got the turn up music.
Hey, so
it's a movie, man. Y'all hear it? Let's do it. Put that thing in a H. There you go. Too, y'all. Early in the morning. Uh-huh.
I can't see, bro.
Man, hit that dirt, yeah.
All the dirt went in my
I
eye,
know.
Man.
It look cool, though. I ain't gonna lie. My boy really got a whole course around here. Look at this. Better hit that corner. Gotta hit that corner. See how tight that corner is right there? We on a mountain though. See, he came through here flying. Yeah, this thing look crazy. Through the course real quick, I forgot it was a whole course in the back. Later on in the day, man.
Yes, sir.
Got the doors up. Got the doors up, man. Y'all see what's going on, man, with the red and black interior, with the oohs and the ahs, with the thing on it. That thing say SVJ, boy. That's that Big Daddy. Said, man, let me move the cyber truck out the way. 1,000 horsepower. Gotta move him out the way, man. But, man, let's hear this thing, man. Let's see what you got for me, man. Let me see, man. When was the last time you started this thing?
Oof, it's been a minute, I ain't gonna lie.
So it might be hella loud. Let's see. Y'all ready, man?
Move.
Dog's about to hop all through his living door.
Ready?
Let's do it. Yeah, let's see, the door. I see what's going on, man. Bro, like just taking up the lanes. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, come on, man. Come on, man. Pull it on down. Today, man. SVJ. Shit. That motherfucker. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker sound crazy. That shit sounds insane, fool.
Rub it real quick, brother, rub it.
That shit sounds insane. Yeah, that shit sounds insane.